Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make use of cucumber to make a toner to clean or wipe away dirt from your face or from your skin. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please hit the subscribe button, like and share my video with your friends and loved ones. For this video we'll be making use of a mixing bowl, a sieve, grater, and a storage can where we are going to store the toner. Cucumbers are loaded with nutrients like water, potassium, sulfate, vitamin A and C. Cucumber is extremely beneficial to those with sunburn, irritated skin, and skin prone to acne. Half your cucumber in two. We are going to be making use of half of the cucumber. Get your grater and the mixing bowl. Grate your cucumber into the mixing bowl. To get a better result, make use of the small part of the grater. It has two parts. After grating your cucumber, get another bowl and use your sieve to strain out the juice of the cucumber. After straining out the juice of the cucumber, get your funnel and your storage can, pour into your storage can, and that's it. Our toner is ready. You can use this toner any time of the day, whenever you have itching on your face or any part of your body, and also after using it you can store it in your refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. See ya.